Hi everyone, welcome to iRing. Here you will find all the information about our products. The iRing is really a simple but an elegant solution to holding your phone. It's slick and really intuitive to use every day. To run you through the basics, to wear this, use your middle finger. So I'm just going to pull this up and use your middle finger, go through the ring to hold your phone. The first thing you will notice with the iRing is that it feels really comfortable in your hands. Because the iRing swivels and rotates, it gives you a lot of freedom in how you hold your phone. You'll notice that your phone feels secure in your hands. You can move it around like this, and it won't slip off of your hands. It's the security of knowing that I won't drop my phone by using it. Also, the original iRing has a patented compact swivel hinge here. It really allows you to swivel the iRing 180 degrees and rotate 360 degrees. You can use it as a kickstand like this. You can use it either vertically or horizontally. So I can use it this way. And really, it's up to you. To sum it up, the iRing is designed to keep your phone comfortable and secure, not to mention that it's also unique that it can be used as a kickstand. This is iRing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.